Roger made the beat.
That nigga out, shoot it. She got up that booty, fuck her ass. I want some head, stupid ass. Who the fuck beat on my door? Tell your daddy to an op. He can take bullets real fast. Girl got her too fast. Michael Jackson got my boo ass. Scared of wait boo ass. I want some head, stupid ass. Hey, my homeboy girlfriend, smoke ass, stupid ass, shoot ass, stupid ass. One third with the jiggers back. She hit her boyfriend, she can't get her nigga. Head on the front, then we go through the back. Through the bush. Who is that? Me. I'm rubbing niggas for hair. Niggas and minutes to eat dick. Yes, you can. Press the wet and shoot the best. Hold it with 3 sticks. Quick shot is red, quick trip. We shoot an ox by the mailman. Get his ass, get his ass. He tried to run fast. We know you a bitch, but you work for the police, my nigga. You work for the fucking town. Shoot his ass, shoot his ass, shoot his ass. Jump for the leg, but I hit his ass. He went from a friend to an ox. Get his ass. Sport on herself. Pissy ass. Me and the gang. Beat this shit, beat your ass. We rob a nigga with shit. Bitch, I thought he was a bitch. Run the motherfucker in a car. Like I ain't know what's like. I got a lot of illegal shit in the car. High speed. Looking for homeboy. Like a bitch had come outside when he died. Shoot him after he cried. One shit out, 2 died. You think alive? That nigga bitch, the name.
That nigga chicken, hey.
I can't find him, got his
His blood on the wall like wet paint.
We got him flipping like a slug.
Nigga got his hand out reaching for hope. Instead of gonna hit his ass with the pole.
I hit that nigga with 3 + 1.
Fall on the block trying to sell me some
my jacket, sugar coat.
Run up on a nigga in a trick coat.
Can he let him go? No.
Telling on a nigga, calling for a
that nigga out, shoot it past you from the trail.
20 bullets and sending him to hell.
I got the wrong nigga at Taco Bell.
Fuck this shit, all well.
Let's play catch for bullet shell. No, he wish he was turtle for shell.
His ass in the
Shoot in the back of the head.
Red poison.
Red poison on the bullet.
The hospital couldn't pull
Get the ambulance to let him pull
Shot
up.
him in the ass, now you wearing pull
You
up.
sneak decent, we gon' pull up.
Posted outside with
26 guns in each truck.
These semi-automatics don't eat Next time that I see ya.
We run down on niggas at Walgreens.
Caught his ass by some ice cream.
You don't smoke pink blunts, you smoke green beans.
Bullets pop like popcorn.
Set him up, shoot him through the back door, front door.
Front door, back door, I'm shooting through the motherfucking wall.
I knew it was him cause he ran, you should've walked.
Shot him in his mouth so now he can't talk.
Off to a stupid nigga.
Don't let the Ruger eat you nigga. Stupid nigga. Who the trick? Who the nigga? They gon' take off his top. Chopper came with a stop. Lambo with a drop. 250 won't stop. Brakes gone for running from the cop. Cause I know he was a op.
Okay. Down to McDonald's parking lot. Microwave bullets, heat him up. We touch our homeboy, pick him up. Ambulance eat the dick, eat it up. That nigga out, shoot him up. We shoot a Glock. Now, grab. Pop and start on your block with a Glock. Shoot in the house who got shot. Burning from 12, who caught a cop? Don't matter, they gon' get that nigga 12. I'ma say look with the gun through. He's kinda looking for trouble. G.E. this shit. That nigga but he ain't coming. Slipping with the gun top. Knock deep out of gum. He giving gums. Bullets on head. Fuck the face, don't drop the leg. Can't walk, respect the crib. One with a ghost. Danny. Nigga, you pussy. Danny. I shot a Mexican man. We sending bullets. Rain. I hate my homeboy girlfriend. Rain. Everybody loves Rain. We shoot a Mario pen. I have no Nick pen. Shoot the knife peeking through the wind. Peekaboo niggas. Don't think you ain't paying they money.
I'm from the office, top karate chop, bring out the stick. Semi's finna get active, pop his ass like a pimple, proactive, yeah, just a little. Disappear like poof, bitch, I blow off your roof. Tell me who tell the truth, yeah, bitch, not you. Smoke till my face turn blue, yeah, I really do this shit. Making bullets turn on you, beat his ass up, microwave. Gang going down with Michael Drakes, this song cracking like old Drake. Now you all just wanna taste, I bring the K like KKK. 762s is what it said on your grave. Snug nose, yes, a closed case. Running up, get your ass gunned down, bring your bitch to the trap. Yeah, you know that she go, all she needed some blow. Too much powder for her bleeding nose. Oh shit, that bitch and OD. When ghost can't see me, Danny Phantom here, jumped in a Phantom. Somebody called 12, put his ass on the banner. Now you tryna pin a body, sitting chillin' shit, looking real good and rich. Back to these fucking heights, big bags, little bitch. I'm seen all on the news. I don't wanna be famous, but still give your ass the blues. Bitch, I wanna be the greatest. Telling on who, your ass get blasted. Snitching on me, your ass gon' die. Wake up early just to catch a flight. Now I'm gone for the day. Want it on every post. Run around like the Joker. Your bitch called, said it was over. Shorty came right over. I made a bend over. Draco came with a stock. AK for the ops. Drum, yeah, you know these bullets ain't gon' never stop. To the op, yeah, he did. Yeah, you heard what I said. Lay his ass to rest in pieces. Reese's pieces, yeah, you get the message. Now you believe it. You didn't even want to receive it. These 7.6 crews will take off your top. Now I'm back with the Glock. Pop, 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 pop.